Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Tamasha. I'm your host Prem Tarneja. And while the devastation in Uttarakhand continues, elsewhere the Tamasha has come thick and fast too. Almost as fast as the fall of the rupee. On the show today, Love Guru L.K. Advani melts our collective hearts. Baba Ramdev gets a taste of his own medicine and Pakistan's leaders indulge in their favourite pastime. We'll also be joined later on the program by MS Dhoni, who is doing our show no favours by continually winning cricket matches in a most serious and uncomic manner. But first, the aftershocks of the split between the JDU and the BJP are still reverberating about the political landscape. There's been plenty of showboating from both sides of the divide. We've had veiled threats, dark insinuations, words of warning from wise old-timers. Meanwhile, the Congress and everybody else must be simply enjoying the show. One thing this does prove, though, is that nobody does drama better than Indian politicians.
क्या है ये? क्या है? ये कोई स्क्रिप्ट होती है? Oh, where is the drama? The emotion, the friends turning into enemies, the lovers parting, the empires falling. कितने हैं सब?
सर झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा बट आई वांटेड टू राइट अ रियलिस्टिक स्टोरी सर.
चल realistic है चाचे. Get out of my studio. चल.
ओके सर. Foolish producer, as though such things happen in real life.
You, did you have had no problems with Modi between 2002 and 2013, during which his stocks continued to rise, but all of a sudden you have found fault with him and decided to part ways by citing difficulties in working with him? Friends, Indians, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come not to praise Modi but to bury him. For Nitish has said he is communalist and Nitish is an honorable man. है ना?
देखिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बू बू
Boo, boo, boo. My brother Narendra.
Those who have betrayed us shall suffer and collapse. Terrible destruction shall be wrought upon them.
देखिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि if I revealed all I know about your party, grown men would start crying.
अरे अडवाणी जी, stop it. Mohan Bhagwat is in the audience.
Oh, my brother.
And from the ashes the NDA shall rise like a phoenix, and its enemies shall bemoan their fate, and nobody shall upstage us. And
Enough talk. Time for the emperor to take the stage.
Arre ha! You stole my thunder, Narendra Bhai.
What did you expect, huh?
देखिए it was bound to happen.
You will all pay for ignoring me. You don't have any friends only.
Arre, please someone switch on the
Arre,
mic.
hatiya,
I want to speak my heart out today. I want to.
Wow. एक मिनट. Hello sir. Sir, I have rewritten the script just as you wanted, based on real life, sir. Sir, the script has drama, the emotion, the friends turning into enemies, the lovers parting, the empires falling. Sir, सच्ची कसम से inspiration struck, sir.
Makes you wonder just how our film and TV entertainment can be of such low quality when such ready inspiration is so easily available. That's a tip for all you aspiring writers and filmmakers. Never mind the movie channels, switch to the news. But personally, I think the most interesting element of the whole BJP-JDU schism was the reaction of L.K. Advani. Having been sidelined in the race for prime ministerial candidature, Advani seems to be recasting himself now as the party's wise old guru. He reminded the BJP this week of the value of friendship and the need to make friends in order to stay relevant. Now, I don't know if his own party members are paying any attention to him, but later in the week, the Congress supported its former ally Kani Mori's re-election bid for the Rajya Sabha. And Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde suddenly proclaimed a great admiration for Nitish Kumar. So perhaps when the Love Guru speaks, somebody is tuning in.
Another long drive through the city that I rule. Sometimes I feel so lonely at the top.
Feeling lonely? Feeling friendless? Friends, this is the Love Hour with your Love Guru, L.K. Advani. So friends, sometimes in life we forget what really matters. Has this happened with you? Give me a call and let's talk about it. Our first caller is now on the line. This is Narendra from Gujarat.
What? I didn't make this call. You only called me.
Because I know you need me, Narendra. So, Narendra, I hear that lately you have been forgetting to respect your elders and remember your friends.
I have remembered not just my friends, but also my enemies. Goodbye.
I was saying, if there is a friend somewhere you have fallen out with, now is the time. Rebuild the alliance.
Kani Mozi, come inside. I'll drop you to the Rajya Sabha. Sit.
And if there is an acquaintance somewhere you want to get closer to, now is the time. Develop your friendship.
You know, I used to watch you in parliament. देखिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि I know.
And most importantly, if there is an old man somewhere and if he wants to be PM, then make him PM now. What a selfish world.